All right, let's look at the homework 4, problem number 5. All right, let's solve this inequality here. All right, so first thing I would do is I'm going to subtract 49x so that we have everything on the left hand side. So x cubed minus 49x is less than 0. All right. Then we can start factoring out. So x is in common, so pull x out, and we would have x squared minus 49. And this is less than 0, right? Then we can actually factor out even further as x plus 7 times quantity x minus 7, right? This is less than 0, right? So I'm going to actually call this guy, this left-hand side, f of x, right? Then I'm going to do a sign chart, right? So here, I'm going to just draw a number line here. Right, here is x. All right, so it looks like, the f of x is 0 when x equals 0. So I'm going to just put 0 here. And also a -7 and a +7. So -7 and a +7. Right, so if you look at the function value f, right, we know that the function is going to be 0 here, and the 0 here, and 0 there. Right, then we can use some sample number. So anything less than 7, -7. So we look at the f of, say, -8, right? Just to test it out. Right here, if you plug in, let's see which one's easier. So if you plug in -8, so that's going to be negative. This is negative, and this is negative. So negative times negative times negative is negative. Right? If you try, say, between -7 and 0, I'll try -1, say, right? So -1, so that's negative, and -1, so that's positive. This is negative. So negative, positive, negative is going to be positive, right? And we can try f of +1. That's positive, positive, negative, so it's going to be negative there, right? Then after that, we can try 8 or something like that. And this is positive, positive, positive. Everything is positive, right? So you can see that we know that on this interval, f of x is negative here. And on this interval, positive. And a negative here. And a positive here. All right, so we're looking at, so what we want is this interval here, and also this interval. So the inequality notation won't be, we want either x is less than -7 or x is between 0 and 7, right? So let's type it in. All right, we got x is less than -7 or x is between 0 and a +7. All right, let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, solution expressed in interval notation is, we just have to write it, so it's going to start from -infinity to -7, and the union, and 0 to +7. All right, let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.